This is English for Asia's top 5 books for new teachers. The first one I'm going to recommend to you is this, the CertTESOL Companion by Jason Anderson. Super useful if you're doing the CertTESOL, but even if you're not, it's got all sorts of useful information in there about how to stage lessons, how to teach pronunciation, how to monitor, all of the basics described in detail. Next, I have got How Languages Are Learned by Patsy Lightbound and Nina Spada. They are 2 second language acquisition researchers, and they wrote this book based on their years of experience to explain to classroom teachers in very simple language how languages get learned. Highly recommended that one. Next, I have Discussions That Work. It's a newer version of this book called Discussions and More. This is by Penny Ur. When I was a new teacher, I always found it difficult to get my students talking to each other, but this book here has got loads of topics, games, writing activities, the lot to get your students speaking. Next, I have this book called Teaching English to Children by Wendy Scott and Elizabeth Yetterberg. And this is all about, well, obviously how to teach kids English, covers the 4 skills, and also includes things like classroom management. And finally, an introduction to task-based learning by Rod Ellis. Very, very simple introduction, only 100 pages long, and tells you everything you need to know to start doing task-based learning in your classes. Enjoy.